Hey guys, Sarah Bowman here. I just wanted to do a very quick tutorial and show you how I export my images for social media. And it is very quick, very easy, takes like, I don't know, a minute or something. So let's get right into it. So all that you have to do is go to File, go to Export, and Save for Web. And that will bring up this little window. My computer takes a little bit longer because it has to record the screen at the same time. And here we are. In the bottom left corner, it'll show you the size that your image will end up exporting as. And if that is too large, if you want it to be less, then you can start by changing the quality if you like to high, medium, and maybe low. I usually export it as very high. Or you can also adjust the pixel height and width. I usually change this since normally on social media you don't need to worry about your pixel count being super big. So I usually change my pixel count to about 4,000 high, and then that'll change it. So you can see that my JPEG size has changed to only 2 megabytes as opposed to 7 megabytes. So that's a lot better to handle, especially for social. Okay, I'm getting a little weird, I'm sorry. Okay, and then so after you've made all of your adjustments, then you just have to click Save, which I don't need to do, I've already done. And then that's it. That's how I export my images for social media. And so this is how you would export your images if you're exporting from Photoshop. I will also show you how I export my images from Lightroom, which is how I more commonly do it. But I'll do that in another video. And that's it for today, guys. I hope that you found that video helpful. This is Patches here, by the way. She always likes to hang out with me while I am editing. So it's nice that I always have some cat company. Hey, she's a senior citizen and she likes to sit close to me or on me. Alright guys, you have a fantastic day. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I am at Sarah Bowman Photography. If you want to see any more tutorials, feel free to subscribe. And that is it for today. Bye-bye. If you would like to support me in my photography endeavors, you can add me on Patreon. You'll have access to some exclusive stuff, and anyone that gives me $5 or more per month will be mentioned in my YouTube videos. Subscribe if you'd like to, and I think you click on the bell or something like that to get notifications. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. You're so pretty.